ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Sorkar jala ka Pyndam no ban Pyntrei kam ya ka smart road project hadi malalap bakamlong ka basay so. Nakaliang jo Sorkar ka pha rejing terwa ka bathamai bla Pyntrei minta ban khmi bnya byang ya Surok ki Surok bakong san hanong ba Shillong ha ka jaka ban pilot por na ka binta ban shnai ka Surok smart road project. Usumbut Menteri Rangba ke Jela basnya balang dhara ka khat azrik naitung ajar phusau ulet hu ba smart road project kabla sateng ha ka shnong la chumia kedi ka wei na pedeng khat nyotli smart city project bla Pyntrei kam hapo ka Jela.
So the first phase is we already cancelled it. We had already had a meeting in the presence of Pyndam and myself because we face very difficult. It is not feasible, so we already cancelled it and only partly maybe 3-4% how the work has been done. So we already decided we will put a fresh estimate from the state plan. We will try to resurface maximum all the city road. It will be like a smart road only from the state plan through Pyntrei road department. So the DPR is preparing under progress as of now. It's underway. Smart city is we have cancelled it. Okay. Because it's not feasible, no land available, that's a problem. So now we have decided we will resurface all the important road within the city, maximum. So that instead of smart road, it will be much more better than the smart road. Let them prepare the same DPR. We may sanction from special scheme or from state, no issue. But we try to balance. The smart road is already cancelled, so we try to make better road. We will make an incomplete final bill, no problem on that. The officer will work up accordingly. They will make incomplete final bill. What are plus minus, they'll do accordingly. Department will take care of no problem on this. It's very little. The figure is not me, I think hardly. I'm yet to receive even the payment donors, the work donors. So I cannot tell how much, but they are calculate now, but very small, not big amount. Previously, that time, they prepare about actual execution, it faces a big problem. It's happened in other cities also. So that's why we thought if it seemed that the execution is very problem, so why we should this time and this money. So let us go for the resurfacing all the maximum all the city road within the city as of now. So the example you see that time when they make the DPR and actually on the spot there is the other line department is involved like PHE, PUD, electric steel. So it's a lot of problem. There is a road which is very narrow, so no space. So it's happened. Sometimes the project is happened. Extend maybe for those cities who have not completed their work. We already completed all the work within the smart city. So we are yet for completion only. Maybe for other city, maybe there is some problem here and there. So we are hopefully now for 2.0 smart city. I'm yet to meet the Union Minister maybe after session to request him for the next 2.0.
So all 17 projects
is
will
under
be
progress, except that smart room which I will inform you. It seems as so now I didn't receive a report. So yeah, if there is disrupt, obviously, so I request all the NGOs friend now they should work with the government together. Yes, obviously, maybe there is lapses here and there with document on this and that. So we need collectively to progress the state forward. So personally from my side as urban minister and as deputy CM also, I request all the NGO friends, let us work together with the government hand in hand, so at least we can bring the state forward. Yes, local labor is always there, and there is some type of work which local cannot do the work. So we request them, let us be a friend, let us work. Yes, all the necessary document we always request all the contractor, all the agency to make sure document should be in order. Yes, if there is any lapses here and there, we should not be up to the extent because we need progress or work from all angles.